Srimatre Namaha Hari Om. Thank you so much for giving your support. And I request all of you to send me the topics on which you want to have certain clarity. I will try to explain to you as much as I know by the divine guidance and any sloka also from your part. Okay. And now, in this podcast, let's talk about why we are saying Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So, how we are saying and why? See, when we chant any mantra, for example, say Bhadram Karne Vishrunu Yamadevaha Bhadram Pashye Makshabharyajatraha Stirairangaihi Stushtvahum Sastanubihi Vyashema Devahitayadayuhu Swasti na Indro Vruddhashravaha Swasti na Pusha Vishwavedaha Swasti nastakshyo Arishtanemihi Swasti no Brihaspati Dadatu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So we say 3 times Shanti Shanti Shanti. So you find Shanti 2 dots, Shanti 2 dots, and Shanti 2 dots. That is, you have the Visarga Bindu there. So you have to say it as Shanti Shanti Shanti. So why do we say that? Because everywhere you know that we say it 3 times. So what's the reason? Why do we say that? Okay. So we want to have a peace from the troubles and turmoils we get from 3 different sources. So the first one is known as the Adhyatmakam. That is the troubles which we taken because of our own acts. Okay, so because what we do, what we have done in our previous births. So because of that, we are undergoing certain troubles. For example, you say you overeat, you put on weight. And because of that, leads into a lot of complications. So that's one thing. So that is known as Adhyatmakam. And the next one is Adi Bhautikam. That is, the Adi Bhautikam is from the other jivas, that is, other species of life. For example, you have a dog bite. Now, this is the viral thing that's going on everywhere. So you're getting a dog bite, or even you can even say the mosquito bites. Okay, so the mosquitoes bite and give you disease and so on. So this is called as Adi Bhautikam. So Adhyatmikam, Adi Bhautikam. And the next is, the third one is to get the Shanti. That is, we should not be protected. We should not be troubled by Adi Daivikam. So Adi Daivikam means the turmoil or the catastrophes we face due to the natural calamities. Okay, so the natural calamities, as you know, you can have an earthquake, a tsunami, cyclone, storm, okay, any such natural calamity. So getting a protection, and let us have the Shanti. That is, let us not be led into the natural catastrophe. So, Adhyatmikam, Adi Bhautikam, Adi Daivikam. So, to get the protection from all these 3 sources, we say Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Srimatre Namaha.